just want to give you an example where a reentrancy vulnerability occurred in real life. So what is a decentralized autonomous organization? So a DAO is a digital form of an investment fund. So you have different investors that can buy DAO token by basically depositing a cryptocurrency into the DAO, which could be Ether. And then the owners of the DAO can then vote on potential projects. So the Ether within the DAO is used to pay out to different projects. And then the profits go back to the stakeholders if there are profits that are generated. So you can think here of having Alice and Bob, two parties. They have like each a certain balance of tokens in the contract. And this is the total amount of tokens that are allocated. Now, what happened is that this particular DAO, actually had a reentrancy vulnerability. So someone, like an attacker, was able to sell tokens to the contract. He got Ether in return, and then he continued doing that. And this updated Bob's balance only in later on, and that's why he was able to get here so much Ether when attacking this particular DAO contract.